Sure bafethu, sibuyile again with a new lesson. Actually today, like, I'm gonna teach you how to play all the keys via this. So I don't know which key do you want. Let us start with a C, because normally, like, people they use a C. I created this board, you know. So this board, it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 7, up to 1 again. Okay, fine. That means this one is a low octave one, this one is a high octave one. So therefore I return M. You know, you see this big M means major, this small m means minor. So if I can take my board and let us start with the key of C, and I put it here. So you can see, actually my scale is gonna be this one, 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 and that one. In other words, it's do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. That is our key. If like we want a C sharp, for an example, let us put exactly. You're supposed to put exactly like according. You know, now here is my C sharp. So this one must point to the key that you want. So let us go. Our 1 is here, our 2 is here, our 3 is here, our 4 is here, our 5 is here, our 6 is here, 7 and 1 again. Let us go to A flat. Here is our A flat. Here is our A flat. So this one must point your key that you are choosing. So this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1 again. Any key. So let us not waste time, but you can see like any key is possible. So let us create a chord. So as you know, like I once taught you that we have major and minor on your key, we can say. So this big M is major, this small m is minor. That, in other words, our 1 is major, our 4 is major, our 5 is major, our 1 again is major. The rest is minor. That means 2, 3, 6, 7 is minors. So let us go and create the chord. Let us go to 1. What is 1? One is our major. So we're supposed to choose one of the two, which is major here. This is our major. Therefore, if it's my major, therefore I take this one too, like this. So our 1 points to 1, 3, and 5. Therefore, that means our chord is going to be 1, 3, 5. That means it's going to be like this. That is our 1. So I can change the octave. That means like this one is our root vision. This one is our second inversion. This one is our third inversion. Still is 1. Okay, let us go. Let us try to create one more a measure. Another measure for the last time. Let us go to 4. Here is 4. That means your first crash must supposed to point to the number that you want to create, because we know 4 is our measure. Therefore, we use the measure point. Then let us go to the measure point. What will be our 4? It's going to be point to 4 and 6 and and 1. That means 4, 6, 1. That means it's going to be our 4. This is our root vision. Second inversion. The third inversion. So let us go to the minor again. So here is our pointing. Let us choose any minor. I decide to choose 3 as my minor. Therefore, I point it like this. I make sure I don't close this one, so that you're going to be able even to read these numbers. So our 3 points from 3, points also here on 5, point also here on 7. That means our 3 is going to be like this. So you're going to change the inversions by playing like this and playing like this. Still is your 3. So you can, any key, you can choose any key, even F sharp, even G, like, but most people I know, they used to play with A flat, F sharp, and C sharp. Most they use these keys. So, but when you can choose any, even if like you want to play 12 keys, you can use this one as your guide. Thank you, guys. Sharp, sharp.